sun is rising.
Hi guys, I'm Katrina Quisil from Vanlife, Philippines. Last Monday was a holiday here in the Philippines, a National Heroes Day, making it a long weekend for us. Me and my squad decided to do dispersed camping in Pamplona, Negros. Enjoy!
Asa yung madam?
Isa lang kilo ka na isa, Kuya Len. Oh, ipa-slice na mo ka ng panigis ka ni Kuya. Saan?
195.
Kana, sige.
Ako sanay.
Alam,
Bili kami ng...
panigis na mo, Kuya.
So, we're trying to buy some pork here. This is Pamplona, guys. Pamplona proper. Here to buy some like chips and stuff. Hi! Hi to my vlog. Ina, hi Generica Pamplona.
Ay, Generica Pamplona.
Dadagan Generica Pamplona. Magagawa.
Ja, ja.
Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Ina, hi Generica Pamplona. Shout out Generica Pamplona. So, we're here at Lanibia. This is Lanibia restaurant, guys. This is on top of the hill. Hi. Okay, so follow. I know. Okay, this is what is it? The mission. They're doing a mission ride for baby Charlie. That's my friend going in. Welcome to the vlog, Charat!
Welcome sa mga bagong abot. Welcome. Amping, sir. Amping. Sir, amping. Ayaw na pagdaling, sir. Inahinay na dyan sa sabing mga abot.
So, stop over. Doing a stop over for lunch, guys.
Our first destination is the Telostos Falls, which I already uploaded a few days ago. You can check out the link for the video in the description.
Hi guys, so we found a spot here in Pamplona. There, that's a van. And there's also another camper. We're setting up our tents now.
Hi guys, so bad audio here again. The reason why the three of us had to fit inside this tiny van because when it rained while having dinner, it was freezing cold like ice. We can't allow Ed to stay inside the tent, so we cozied ourselves inside the van, continue our dinner, drink our wine, and watch a movie. We can't help ourselves laugh at our situation that night.
amazing. Everyone, it's an eggy morning for us. Egg morning. Triple egg for the triple friends joke. Is guys. That's tuyo or bulad sa Bisaya.
Right.
Yan. Lagyan namin.
Correct. Okay, we're gonna go now to another destination. We're gonna go to the governor's place. We're gonna tour Dre since she hasn't been there yet. So, by the way, my suit is ready again for another waterfall. We're trying to go to this Kanlungan Falls. So we don't know how to go there yet. We're gonna follow some group again. Look at that. And I remember that chapel in my other video, Beautiful Disaster. I'm here again because we camp out near this area. Just again, 5 minutes, 2 minutes from this area. Nice, right? But my camera was off last time, so I wanna like shoot something really nice here. That's my friend Dre and Ed. Oh, we're gonna try to cross that. Is that it? That's nice. This is the start of our long trail to Kanlungan Falls.
Check out the link for the full video in the description, guys.
Hello guys. Nice. It's so worth it.
going to Magsusunog now, guys. It's a river. We're gonna have lunch or lunch there. It's down the river, but it's really nice. It has a dam. It's too far and rough road na talaga siya. Natatakot ang may for the van. Dyan pa siya and we have to go all across. Malayo pa siya. Super far. So, gotta go na lang. Hindi na. It's a dam lang naman. I mean, maybe next time pag motor, try namin. Sige, bye guys. Okay, so this is the last of our trip. We're in Scooby's Tanhay. We're gonna taste the old Scooby's. Diba? Diba? Dumaguete na pa ba na? Oh, okay. Big connection. Our old tambayan when we were young. So, old tambayan. I mean, not this place, but Dumaguete.